everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can log out of your Jupiter crypto wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open the Jupiter application and make sure that you are inside the wallet homepage. Go ahead and tap on the name of your wallet at the top left, and from your wallet management page, go ahead and tap on the three dots. Before logging out of your wallet, you will need to go ahead and back up your recovery phrase. Tap on Show Recovery Phrases and type in your recovery phrase on a piece of a paper or paste it in a secure folder or file. And then, once you have backed up your wallet, go to the top right corner and click on the gear button. This will now open up the Preference tab, where you need to click on Security and Privacy. Go to the bottom of the screen and click on Reset App. Click on Reset once again, but make sure that you have your backup phrases. If you don't have your backup phrases and you are resetting your app, then you may lose access to your wallet and all of its funds. If you ever want to import your wallet again, you will need your seed phrases or your private key. So, that is the only way you can log out of your Jupiter crypto app. If you ever want to reconnect to Jupiter wallet again, keep visiting our channel so that you can get more videos on Jupiter crypto wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.